Connecticut Open House Day comes around every June and provides opportunities to visit over 200 historical buildings, museums, cultural venues, and more in the state for free or discounted price. I visited the Stratford Point Lighthouse, which is located in the Lordship section of the town of Stratford, Connecticut. The original lighthouse on this spot was established in 1822, and the current lighthouse, with its distinctive red band, replaced that one in 1881. It's 35 feet tall, it's constructed of cast iron with a brick interior. Let's go inside. Thank you. Thank you.
And I've got your forms, appreciate it.
Anytime. Thanks for having
So
us
we
open
have
house.
33 steps.
What time did you sign up?
You can come in now if you want, since you're here.
A link to the Lighthouse website in the description below if you'd like to find out more about this lighthouse or its historical tour program.
Bill talked to you about how best to go up and climb the stairs are to passages. That's up to you as well.
Yeah, there's 33 stairs here. So our keepers, back when the lighthouse was lit with kerosene up until about 1880, they got to make this climb with 5-gallon jugs of kerosene. Twice a day, every day. Wow.
That's a workout.
There has been a bidding process to see maybe what to do with this. No decisions. I think right now we're just trying to make it a public, something to run it for the public. I don't know. Yeah, I think the town is
So there are 10 ladder steps to get up to the light. You want to go up facing just like a ladder, and you want to come down exactly the same way. Don't face the wall, face the ladder. We've had some very bad experiences with people that came down facing the wall. Up just on your right hand side, you'll see it as soon as you get over here, there's a handle. If you just grab onto that handle, you can pull yourself. There's no other way to climb onto the platform. We did have a gymnast here a few weeks ago, and she did a somersault up, but there aren't that many people that can do that. So. She was on about the second step. I mean, it wasn't that great. It was like the second step, and she with nothing to it. This lighthouse was built in 1882. It replaced the original lighthouse, which was built in 1881. So
What happened to that one?
it got old, and like many things the government maintains, they didn't maintain that very well. So it was largely falling down by 1872. So the cottage that's there now was built in 1881.
Okay.
The keeper lived on the first floor, the assistant keeper lived upstairs. They both had families. Theodore Justin lived on the first floor. He was the longest serving lighthouse keeper. He raised 4 children.
Really?
There was no way to get off this island at that point. There was just water really from Stratford Road pretty much to Access Road. So you could really only get out of here either by boat or waiting until the weather got good and then you could go back in Stratford. So when you were out here as a lighthouse keeper,
Thank you to historian David Wright for putting on this tour today. It's extremely rare to actually be able to go inside a lighthouse, and I appreciated the opportunity. And thank you to you for watching. See you on the next one.